Welcome back to another video by Solutions. Today we shall go through the unique vehicles with special features. Especially, a smart crane which will not disturb the traffic anymore. Stick with the video till the end. DAL Logo 12 is a 3-axle semi-trailer, having a total weight of 36,500 kilograms, and it can carry approximately 31,650 kilograms of payload. It has got an overall length of 13,545 millimeters, which makes this vehicle definitely unique. Next up is RCP Cargo Loader, with payloads of up to 3,260 kilograms, and a permissible total weight of 7,490 kilograms. Goods of all kinds can be transported. The RCP-75 can be driven by car license holders. Logistics professionals need reliable and flexible solutions. It's fully suitable for all of them. With this cargo loader parallel, the loading area is lowered or raised parallel to the floor. They can be loaded and unloaded at ground level or up to a ramp height of 1.60 meters. Next up, JCB's Guinness World Records FASTRAC tractor. JCB has been building the unique FASTRAC since 1991. It is the fastest production tractor in the world, and unique in offering full front and rear suspension for unparalleled ride, comfort and traction. The current range is the most productive, most versatile, most comfortable and safest series of tractors on the market. Next up, the MENZI MUCK M545. The MENZI MUCK can be used on and off the track, because independent siding and dispersing on an open track, as is possible on steep railway dams. The low focus and low transport costs are therefore only part of the more attractive price-performance ratio. The conversion from track excavator to mobile excavator is also completed in a few minutes. The MENZI MUCK M545 pulls 2 wagons with a total weight of 120 tons. The 3-way excavator for rails, slopes and roads. Next up, the Duker Tunnel Wash. Tunnel washing was never easy until amazing tunnel washing machine invented by Duker. This machine can wash the tunnels very fast and quickly with its extraordinary engineered techniques. Next up, electronic hydraulic auxiliary steering system. ELA is used in vehicles with several steered axles, frequently combined with high payloads as seen in mobile cranes or big fire engines with turntable ladders. Constructive variabilities, as the steered rear axles are externally supplied, and decoupled from the front axles. Next up, the SWAT-Bot. SWAT-Bot is a tracked SRT mobile ballistic shield and entry all-terrain robot that allows operators a safer and more protected standoff. The SWAT-Bot also offers more effective defensive and offensive capabilities in the active shooter scenarios. HETEK's heavy-duty roller movement set is designed for moving containers over solid ground. The rollers are attached at the bottom at the ISO corners, which ensures maximum level of stability, and keeps the lateral openings in the ISO corners free for other uses. When used together with HETEK's leveling supports and the universal adapter for different container heights, the heavy-duty rollers make it possible to move containers without the use of cranes or forklifts. Line marking has never been easier. Turf Tank revolutionized the sports field line marking industry. Forget about traditional marking techniques, walking with strings all over the field, doing manual measurements and pushing the line marker. With Turf Tank 1 line marking robot, You can paint any sports field easier, faster, and more efficient. Spice up your sport fields with robot-created letters, numbers or custom logos. And finally, the PALFINGER Crawler Crane. It is an all-rounder for a variety of different areas of operation. Its compact dimensions allow optimal operation in areas where space is limited. Flexible and adaptable, it won't disrupt traffic or the urban landscape. Its radio remote control makes it easy to operate. With supreme precision shifting makes it possible to overcome obstacles and protect sensitive surfaces. The crawler's electric unit enables zero emissions work, while preserving functionality. Single lever operation allows the machine to be stabilized and leveled automatically at slope gradients of up to 8 degrees.